Look, every single stop. What are that for? Look at that. 1, 2. Got my guy over here, Mr. Driver today. Oh, that looks great. Whoa. Yeah. Thank you. What is that? I mean, bro, what is that? Today we vlogging, we over here in BMW and Tower. Look at that. Over here. So we're here with my big brother. He's gonna be Mr. Driver today. Yeah, Mr. Driver. Professional. We checking professionally. Alright, we ballot. Let me see your hand, brother. We ballot. Yeah.
Esto es un video.
Yeah, this is a vlog, bro. Un video, tú sabes, aquí en la BMW, para los que quieran aprender. Aquí está un canal multi-idioma. Alright, compadre. Ey, está muriendo de dinero. So, yo ahorita, cuando llegamos, estaba viendo esto. Esto se ve salvaje. Pero mira, pero no se sabe ni qué es esto. Yo creo que esto es un monstruo o una vaina rara, pero en verdad esto no es normal. So this is, I don't think this is normal. Yeah, this is crazy. What is this? Look at that. Like, look at the roof. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta work a lot. You gotta work a lot. You gotta work a lot. Like, I'm gonna just try to get one of the guys over here in BMW to try to talk to us about it. But like, what I don't understand is this. So, I'm gonna the green light, so I'm gonna go in real quick and check the inside. First of all, that's crazy. That's crazy. Boy. 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 Oh my God. Look at Mr. Driver. Mr. Driver, how you feeling? How you feeling, Mr. Driver? Just take the bag.
And the noise, I'm like, is it real or is it fake? You know?
Sit in the back. So dirty in here. Boy, Mr. Driver. Ooh, look at the back. The back seat is crazy.
Yo.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yo, bro. Boy. Look at the back. Okay. Yo, this is an M3 line, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, inside the stepper. Okay, the little pepper steppers. You can mess around with the old like.
You got TikTok.
I got 5 TikTok. Look, oh yeah, I got TikTok. Whoa. Look at the car right there. That's a big display, I ain't gonna lie.
And they show what doors open.
Look, I got manuals. I got like paddles, shifting paddles over there too. I ain't gonna lie, bro. What it really tripped me is this ambient lights got me crazy. Look. This is just another model. Crazy. Right? This is crazy. Let me go outside. I'll see you guys outside. So AQ, they got AQ. If you guys want to learn more about it, you guys can scan this AQ. You guys gonna see But like, what really tripped me about is this. Look. This thing got me tripped. It's not. Mr. Driver checking from the back.
You guys ready for your IX?
Let's sit on the front. What? I tried to open it, but I didn't want to. That's where the charger is at? Oh, that's crazy.
How we doing? You looking to check in? Yeah. Already checked in. Cool. You actually go right there first.
Sit in the front.
To
Oh, boy. Yeah. Yep. Look at this paddle. All these paddles. Crazy. Carbon fiber. Real carbon fiber. Metal in the back.
that one's 160. Yeah.
But like I just want to know about this right here. This right here. That should be like the modes or something.
Yeah. If you want,
All that. Look at the key. Look at the key. Oh boy, look at this key.
Have you seen an M2 yet? Yeah.
They got it. They got it. Back.
the back seats in them.
No, they got it. Spacious back too. That brings it. That's the tools. Oh, that's nice.
Yo.
I know, bro.
Yo.
That should be like, nah. At least I think you.
That's nuts.
Another shit should pop out from here. At least, bro. First
That's
aid. I know. Look, 12 bolts on the back. So for you guys that like to,
Look at the mufflers.
That's what I was telling them. The muffler and the sauce in the back is great.
It's pointing at you.
So you already know. For those men, no, I don't think this is the same one. That one is the same one. Look at the same one over there. But this one is electric. No. This one is probably electric. Because the girl, look at the girl in the back. Look. Yeah, this one is like those is modes. Look at that. This is like a mini verse of it. You know what I mean? This is like a mini version of it. Are you serious? Look. Nah, I'm joking. I know. It's like this. Oh, look. Oh, look. Look at that. What is this?
Look, it's a mirror.
Oh, it got crystals.
Come on.
Nah, that one is crazy. This is crazy.
You look at that, Franny.
I know, bro. This is what I'm looking at over here too. Like, they wildin'. Oh wait, hold up, bro. This car is made out of carbon fiber. This SUV is basically an SUV, bro. Like, out of carbon fiber, nah, they buy it. They even sitting over here in my McLaren. Nah, to be honest, I'm enjoying it. I don't even care how long it's gonna be this vlog. But guys, you guys gonna have to feel it with me, cause like this compared to a Tesla right now. Oh, look at it back. Hey,
Look at that.
we could,
Baby, look. Un cristal no me mira, mira, man, mira, mira, mira el asiento, mira, para que te dé masaje en toda la cabeza. Sí. Oh.
Do you take it straight or just
Oh, this is one of them.
yeah, lately it's been
Put it up.
Babe, babe.
wanna be more.
Oh, nah. Okay. So it's wood. So, but this is an M60. Oh, look at him. Look at him brake, boy. This is the size of my leg. Size of my leg, bro. But nah, really. They body it with this one too.
Look at the door.
Oh, you can see the car. Ford truck here. I'm a little fatty. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Mr. Driver. They got a Ford truck here. I'm gonna try this. Come on, Mr. Driver. He's not gonna let me have a Ford truck. Mr. Driver. So yeah, I mean, nothing compared to this. I ain't gonna lie. Mr. Driver, don't wanna let me have a Ford truck panini. I mean, them panini look yummy. I ain't gonna lie. Cheese and what? Steak.
So steak and cheese. Do you want any of those sides? Chips, mac and cheese, or salad? No? Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite water? Okay. Okay, here's your Coke. You're gonna be number 67. Should be about 2 minutes.
Look at that one over there. That one look nice. And we're gonna holler at you guys when everything get back in action, because we're gonna go in here to the AC because we should be burning. You know? I'm gonna lie, that's a cool color too. That's like eating, but fuck it though. You know? That's what we're going for, boy. Okay, what was called? Top thing over there. We're gonna listen to him.
Yeah, this is for the car.
Oh boy. That's mean. That's mean. Alright. Mr. Driver. We got Mr. Driver over here. Ooh, wow, look at carbon fiber in the mirrors. Ooh, crazy. Ooh. Got them headlights. Bingo. Look at it. Right. What is that? Like 18s?
Yeah.
Let me see. Rabbit. We'll start. What are those for? Look at that one over there. That's my dream car over there. Alright, let's go in.
Alright. And those messages, you just say closed message.
Alright, let's buckle up. Let's see.
Like a sport mode.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then put it in drive. Yep. You just shift over once to the drive. And this is how you know if you see the D, that means you're in full drive. If you just see the number, you're gonna be in the shifter mode.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Thank you, brother.
So let's see. So we're in the M3 competition.
Yo,
Oh, look at that.
You're crazy.
Look at the back. Yeah. It's right here. Look at him messing with it. Take a right. Oh my God. Says take a right. This thing flies. Yo, the tires on this is sticky.
Yo, bro.
Boy. You gotta take it right on the road. Ooh. This go crazy. Look at the cyclist, you know. This is crazy. This car. Boy, these tires are stick.
Show the same color of the car. How many packs? Yo, this shit is.
Look, bro. Every single rock, every single thing is driving it. He said this one was the same one, but electric.
Fully electric. No, I'm 450. So you drive it. That's what the energy efficiency.
Handles. Ah, if it's electric, why? The colors are not even the best. But
Thank you. Yep.
yo, says
You know, son.
yeah.
Oh, I can see the little thing on front.
Bro.
Let's try this again.
That's right. Oh boy. Whoa. What is this?
Nah, this one is. You see the thing? You see. You see it in front? Yeah. You know what's the crazy part? That the seats, it show who got their seatbelt or not.
Oh, bro. Bro, this is a spaceship. Let me see. Bro. This is coming.
Oh, this is fire.
What does that be, dude? Sport. Yo, bro, you don't even got it on sport, bro. Oh, yeah, sport boost. Yo. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Bro.
Yo.
No way.
Yo, but you saw this?
Yo,
Look at this. You
bro,
saw this?
I'm not even paying attention. I'm paying attention to the road and the song. Yo, this sound is crazy, bro. Oh.
Yo, it just.
Yo. Yo, this is crazy.
You saw how it jumped?
Yo, bro. What in the world? This is just crazy.
Yo, Friday. It's a joke. Yo, this sound like a movie thing, bro.
Bro,
Are you hearing that?
bro, this sounds like a spaceship, bro.
Yo creo que aquí. Yo hasta me duele la cabeza de tanto yo.
Okay, para allá. Yo, bro, what in the world?
Look at the back. Oh, the front.
Yo, este sonido que tripea mira eso también, lo que da de uno.
Y yo ya que entre nosotros.
Turn right into Old Country Road.
¿En cuánto? Déjame ver en cuánto va.
1.1 mile.
Aquí era que teníamos que venir con el baby.
Dale, pupu.
No, porque sí,
Kai no va a decir nada.
esto vuela, papá, tú no sientes esto, ¿oíste? Y es que se mete a 80. ¿En dónde? Dime.
En all country.
Sí.
Pero ahora que no lo sabemos, chiquito, ya faltan 2 más, ¿viste? Sí. This sounds crazy.
Ese blanquito que viene atrás de nosotros.
A spaceship, bro. It sounds like a spaceship, man.
Let me see something.
Wait, discharge your phone. But the way everything is, it sounds like a sporty car, but it ain't got sauce, none of that, no engine, none of that. So yeah. What are we trying next? You guys want to try that one next? Yeah, let's try that one next. Oh. This is fucking hilarious. Tell me. You want to try that one next? That one is that one. We could try this one. Ooh. God.
This is going to be a V8 engine.
Ooh.
It's a plug-in hybrid at the same time. It's going to give you 25 to 30 miles in that pure electric mode, right? Again, V8 engine, 4.4 liter. Miles as far as from the pure electric, 25 to 30 miles. As far as for just an electric mode, okay? It still is a gas engine, okay? It's going to give you 644 horsepower, 590 pounds of torque.
Oh boy.
Right. So, without further ado, let's get you all in here and get you
See that?
No problem.
You know? This is all crazy. He says the EV and he said gas engine too. So this one and then we're gonna try the other one. So far, this one will be giving me impressions. And then the other ones.
Okay.
This
Now what you talking about?
let's see.
Okay, so
Yes.
Nice.
So, yep. Of course, go ahead and get everything adjusted. And when you can, just, put your seat on.
Yeah.
Told
Told
you,
you.
And I'm going to
Go
go
back
over the
quick.
map with you.
Alright.
Mind just pass me that map that's over there right there so you can see it. Cool, perfect. So,
Kind of
what you're going to do, this is going to take you 10 minutes. And just tap it to the right. Kind of wiggle it out of that. Yep, so just go to the right. There you go. So now it's in drive. To put it in park, press the P button behind that same. Cool?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to guide you out. Please go slow out.
thank you.
Alright, let's do this. Once again. Oh, this kind of moves. Yeah, this kind of moves.
Diablo, esto tiene poder. Bichiga pa. Oh, it turned on my seatbelt.
Yeah, mine too. Oh boy.
Yeah, but we can go faster because we already.
What?
It's a B8, bro.
It's not on sport.
I don't have to be.
You do it.
Yo, yo no sé si... Yo, show the... Oh, look at the
did.
top.
Oh,
shit.
that's a sport and it turned red. That's crazy. We need to try that one too. That's an M4. Oh boy.
Let's see. What is this? This is nice.
Go, bro.
La chinita está mirando, pero... Y este chamaquito que esa vaina. Word. So, en bien, ¿no? Oh, mira. Oh, M1.
Take it right. Did you figure out the shifting? Oh boy. It's heavier though.
I need to have steering wheel off. Ok, ahora tenemos.
Oh, there's a wedding. There's a wedding. Look, only on my vlogs. Hey, only on my vlogs. You feel me? Cállese, coño. Está loco. Vámonos, sí, está loco. Vámonos, siga. Seguimos en esto. En la amarilla. Take it right. Cuando ve una luz, you're gonna take it right.
Oh, pero mira, traction control is off.
Get up.
Yeah, that's why it's like that.
On the light, take it right.
Mini palo, lo que tienen los carros.
Yeah. Look at that. Over there.
Oye, ¿cómo suena eso?
There's a V8 too. Dale, nigga. Ay, mi madre.
Hay un policía por aquí.
Pero probando los carros, esta es la ruta de ellos.
Ok, pero por eso es que los policías están por aquí, porque saben que es la ruta de los BM.
Siéndolo oyen boom. Yo, bro.
Oh, es que uno le va subiendo la marcha. Let me see M2.
Pero podría venir por aquí ahorita. This is the real deal. Take it right. Yeah, bro.
No, porque this
no,
one
no.
is Eevee.
So, look at the backup camera. Ooh, 360 backup camera is crazy too. Wow. Nah, we want all the smoke, bro. This is it. We back home. You know, we'll let you guys go.